Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set photo in keyboard on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Tap on Open, enable in Settings, enable Gboard. Tap on OK, go back, select Input Method, select Gboard. Tap on Done. Now, if you go to your home screen and open the keyboard, you can see that we have set Gboard as our keyboard. Now just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Tap on theme, tap on the plus icon. Now just select a photo from your gallery. Tap on next. From here you can adjust the brightness of your photo. Tap on done. Hit apply. Now as you can see, this is how you can set photo in keyboard on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.